Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Subaru Impreza. On the Subaru we're going to go over the process to be able to change, just disconnect your negative battery cable in case you're doing any electrical work on your vehicle. You don't want to have that negative hooked up and touch anything that then grounds out and causes sparks and problems. So your negative battery cable, once you pop the hood and you find your battery, which is on the left hand side front of the engine bay, we have this cable here that is our negative one here. Now you can see there's not a whole lot of red and colored indicators on here, so we just need to look at the way that the battery is hooked up and the positive and negative here. And so just a 10mm wrench is needed to be able to loosen that connector and then be able to remove and make sure we put our negative cable out of the way and now be able to do other work on the vehicle, electrical work, and not have that get in our way. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.